Hello everybody and welcome back to Not That Kind of a Channel. My name is Peter and in today's video I will tell you what's going on the channel. So you may have seen a photo here on my YouTube channel or maybe also on my Instagram channel where I posted a new photo about a new Discovery 4. We sell our old one, our black one from 2012, because we didn't use it this year. And so we sell all the stuff with the rooftop tent, with the water tank, with the slide out and everything else which is mounted to the car. What to say about the new one? This was a little bit funny because I never thought about buying a new one, and but once in the morning I woke up and then I thought, life is too short not to drive a Land Rover, and 2 weeks later I bought another one. But I have to say, this one is not that nice, or has not that nice looking like the other one, because it's a little bit shabby and there's really a lot of work to do. But I would say, let's have a look at it and I will show you what I have to do and what I have done until now and which videos you can expect and so on. So let's have a look at the new one. This is how the Discovery 4 looked like. From far away it looks not even that bad, but if you get closer you will notice there are many scratches on the body. Like here in the front you can see there's a scratch, there's paint missing, and also the paint is broken. Here are also scratches all over. Here, there is, it's full of scratches, and this means I have a lot of work to do. And also when we look inside, we can see that the leather is in a bad condition. It has to be completely cleaned. And the paint in the center console came off, and we have this old wood in here, which I don't really like. So I will also renew this one. Then when you have a look at this, it also smells a bit strange in here. I think the pre-owner was a smoker. I have to get all the seats out and then clean the carpet, wash the carpet. Maybe then the smell is gone. What else I have to say about this one? It's a 7-seater. I always wanted a 7-seater, and now this one is a 7-seater, which is really great. So we can carry a lot of stuff around. But now let's go to the driver's side. This one is much worse than the other one, because on the driver's side there are a lot of scratches. Here there's paint missing. Then when you came down here, look at this entrance. I mean, I don't know what the pre-owner did that the car looks like this. Maybe that there was a bear in it, I don't know. Then have a look at the door card. I mean, the door card, I think this was looked like there was a cigarette burning in. Also here and here, and I will completely remove this one. Also the seat, look at the seat. It's also interesting. I mean, I had the same problem on our black one, but I let this one fix. And here I will change the whole seat. Also on the other side, this one gets also changed. So the steering wheel, the buttons here, you can see there's the paint gone and it got scratches in here. I don't know if I will replace the whole steering wheel. Maybe I will do this. What else I will do in here is maybe install the X lifter. And also the Apple CarPlay. This will also get an Apple CarPlay. That's it from the inside. So let's open the engine bay. Look at those nice scratches. So the engine bay looks really dirty. I don't know when these fluids were changed last time, so I will change all of them. I will also change the coolant. I already changed all filters, even the air filter, the pollen filter, but not the diesel filter. The oil filter was changed. Also the oil, I put our 5W40C3 in it, and now the engine runs really smooth. But what I noticed about the engine is I noticed that there's a clicking sound coming from here. I will let a workshop have a look on it. Okay, so some other facts about the car. It's model year 2014, by the end of 2014. It has 257,000 kilometers on it. The engine was rebuilt about 80,000 kilometers, I think. What else I have to do on this car is I have to change, as I said before, or renew the whole interior, the outside or the paint. Then I will change all the differential oils. I have to change the cowl top here because when we have a look at this one, there gets water in it. Then I will change the main brake cylinder because when you put down your brake pedal, it's really soft and it goes all the way through, so it should be changed. And then I will also change the brake fluids. What I already did on this car is I have changed the brakes. For this, for the front and for the rear one, I will show you a video. But I have to say this video will be a voice-over video because there was so much wind. I will also put some off-road xenons in, also put some LEDs for fog lights. What else to say about this one is the pre-owner was the first and only owner of this car, which is also great. And what else I will do is I will get some off-road components on it. I will put a roof rack on it, I will put some rock sliders on, then maybe a ladder on the back and even an underbody plate. Maybe also a safari snorkel, and yeah, the rims or the wheels, I don't know at the moment which wheels or tires I will get on, because at the moment there are the winter tires on and I only have regular summer tires. Also the rims of the summer tires are really in a bad condition, but these are the one I have for our old one, but in black. And here you can see, yeah, so I also have to repaint them. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you like the video. If you do so, please give me some thumbs. And if you want to see more from that kind of content and what's coming up on this one, just follow. Guys, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.